B.S. Yediyurappa now relenting and flying in to Mumbai. Rahul Srivastav now joins us live from Mumbai. Rahul, Modi coming in yesterday, Yediyurappa coming in today. It does seem like the BJP is trying to present a united front.
Yes, the second good news since for the BJP since yesterday, after a huge slice of bad luck, perhaps, that Mr. Sanjay Joshi had to resign because Mr. Narendra Modi had to come. First, Narendra Modi came and he participated in a clearing amendment to the BJP's constitution that Mr. Nitin Gadkari could be given yet another 3-year term. The second good news is perhaps the back channels which are being operated to get all its top leaders on board as far as this national executive is concerned. Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa will be participating in the BJP national executive. If you see, with the coming of Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa, who have over the years operated as regional satraps, they might be part of a large political structure which the BJP is, but they have almost emerged as regional satraps, that the fortunes of the party are virtually linked to the fortunes of these leaders, or perhaps the misfortunes are linked to the tantrums of these leaders. And given the kind of power and wealth these leaders enjoy in their respective state, perhaps there is a growing realization in the BJP that regional leaders need to be given that elbow room, space and respect so that they don't feel constantly estranged. They do not have a reason to complain. If you look at what Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa has done at least over the last one fortnight, that he has been out with a lot of complaints about two basic things, that how he was never allowed room, and also how senior leaders present in Delhi constantly confabulated against him with the blessings of the top leadership, and he has gone on to the extent of naming Mr. L.K. Advani, backing Mr. Anand Kumar. His charges might well be the baseless, but there is a sense of complaint, and that is what we are hearing, that the BJP's political resolution, which will be adopted today, which is perhaps usually the core of the BJP's national executive and such conclaves, will be talking about how top leaders, regional leaders should actually be honored, respected and given the space, and perhaps their views be taken into account, so that, yes, of course, this is a question of unity, but also so that they don't feel estranged and do not create a sense of dissent, and also help the party in achieving greater goals. And perhaps it is also an indication that how the BJP has tried to get Mr. Yediyurappa, tried to get Mr. Modi, and will also be signaling to Vasundhara Raje Scindia, who is a senior leader in Rajasthan, that somewhere the party is, after a lot of dissent, acknowledging the fact that the top leaders, regional leaders, will be accommodated, will be given greater space. And perhaps that can be called as one of the most important points of this meet. Yes, the high point of the day could well be a rally which will be later addressed by top BJP leaders, in which we'll be again seeing Mr. Nitin Gadkari and Narendra Modi for the first time together after a long time. And of course, one is expecting that Mr. Yediyurappa also will be there.
All right, Rahul, thank you so much for joining us with that perspective. In fact, B.S. Yediyurappa has landed in Mumbai and is now making his way to the National Executive Meet in Mumbai. This is what he had to say shortly after landing.
I am come here to attend National Executive Committee meeting. From last 20 years, I am a member of the National Executive. Yesterday, some reason I could not be able to attend the meeting. Today, I am going to attend the National Executive meeting.
You supported Mr. Narendra Modi as BJP's Prime Minister candidate for 2000?
Yes, yesterday only I told entire country wants Narendra Modi as future Prime Minister. That's why there is up to the High Command, because the people verdict is important. All of them have the opinion that Narendra Modi should be projected as Prime Minister material. So I am going to request our all India leaders also, please know the feelings of the people of the country and take the necessary action. Thank you.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.